Today, I'm going to show you how you can create how to submit your work from your computer. As you can see here, I have my camera. Yeah. Now, if you don't have your camera open, you can actually do it like this. Yeah. So first, you need to go to here, click it with your left, uh, click the left button, and then as you can see, we don't have the camera here. Yeah? And so I'm going to look for all apps and then take a look at here. See camera. I'm going to click it and your camera will show like this. As you can see, my camera is now facing on the table. Yeah. And sometimes if you are using your laptop, it might just show your face. Yeah. But don't worry about it because if it does show your face, since we are going to only show your work, so you can just lift your work and fill the frame, and you can take a picture. Yeah. Now here on the right, as you can see over here, we have some tools. Yeah? Since we are going to take a photo, we're going to select this one. As you can see, I'm hovering on top, and it does show photo. So click on that, left click, and you can take a photo. Remember, when you are taking a photo of your work, try to fill the whole frame of your work. Yes. So you might want to make this paper close up to you, or put the camera closer to your work. Yeah. As you can see, the camera here does have a little bit of distortion, but don't worry about it. I think your teacher might can accept that, yeah, since it's still tolerable, yeah. Okay, so if we have the picture on frame perfectly, yeah, you can take a photo. Here, click this white button. Take a photo right there, and you are already done, yeah. Okay, and if you have to take a video, put it on the video, and then you can make a video of you working, maybe, yeah. For example, on this one, I'm just going to show rendering movement, yeah. Of course, it can be any video. If you probably just playing with your toys, yeah, something like this. Or maybe your teacher needs you to submit a video of your work or doing something or making an interview. It's the same, yeah? What you need to do is also press this white button, take video, press it, and then you start recording. As you can see, the button turns to red. This means that it is recording. Yeah? So keep on doing what you are doing, whatever it is, the video that you are assigned. Yeah? So, for example, another toy is crossing. Yeah, and depends on how what's the duration, you can make your video recording. Okay, and after you're done, you can press this button, start taking video, and your video will be rendered. Yeah. Now we are going to try to submit your work. Here we have our files in the camera roll. Put your cursor down here, and as you can see here, we have video. You can play it. Okay. Just an example, and we also have our picture. Move to the left here. There's a button. Click it, and you have your picture. Yeah, sorry about that. You will have your picture and your video. Now, we are going to submit your work. Yeah, what to do? You can press this. Yeah, share. Yeah. Now I'm going to first share my photo. So I'm going to move to your photo here, press it here, and then as you can see, we'll have this. You can have your email, yeah, and other apps, yeah. But since we are going to send this to Google Classroom, so we're just going to close this, and we're going to open our different browser, yeah. So on this one, I'm going to open a new window, and I'm going to log in using my student account, which is this one, yeah. And I'm going to go to the classroom. How do I get to the classroom? Well, just press this and look for Google Classroom. Click it, and we will be lead to this particular classroom. Yeah? As you can see, I am a member of this classroom here from this school. So, and I have to submit my work here. So what I need to do is just to click there, here, and here's the instruction. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send my photo and video. Add to create, this one, and I'm going to select file. Okay, insert using Google file like this. And then there's an option of upload, browse, and here we are. Yeah, as you can see, we have a few. And here's what I'm going to select. The picture, open, let it upload. As you can see, the screen changed to here. Add another one because I want to add a video. Add another file, browse, and this is the video. Yeah, as you can see, it has a different icon. So I'm going to select this, and if you hover on the file, there will be details like this: MP4 video. This one, JPEG files, that means a picture. This one, open, let it upload for a moment, and after it's uploaded, yeah, you can continue. And be careful when it is uploading like this, do not close the window, yeah, because it will fail. Now, if you have both files like this already, you can press hand in, and there will be another information like this. Two attachment will be submitted and in. Yeah, and you know what? You've done. Yeah. Okay. Now you know how to submit your work through the Google Classroom. I hope this will help, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a good one. Bye.